guys, so welcome back to my cooking show where I bring just recipes that I find or create and stuff and share it with you. Patches, I need you to get down. Sorry, my big dog is jumping on me. But anyways, today we're going to make brownies. And this is, I found on Facebook. It was a recipe that's supposed to mimic a brownie mix instead of buying it at the store. And I'm sorry about my hair. But it's supposed to mimic a brownie mix, but you can do it at home. You don't need to buy a brownie mix because it's easy to make. And it really is, and it comes out wonderfully. So let's turn the camera and let's get to baking and stuff. Alright, so I already have some of our ingredients all set up. So what you're going to need is 1 cup of sugar. This is granulated sugar. A 1/2 cup of flour. You don't have to sift it or nothing. Then a 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. And yes, I washed my hands and I washed the dishes, that's why it's sticking. Then you need a teaspoon, and I had turmeric on these spoons, so that's why it looks yellow. But you need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't worry about sifting it. This is kind of like a dump. Go. Now you could kind of mix the dry ingredients if you would like I'm doing. So this would be your brownie mix that you buy from the store. That's it. That's all. And then the brownie mix it'll be vanilla flavor in there, but all you would need to do is add your eggs, which is 2 eggs. These are large eggs. A 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, or you could use canola oil. Dump it in. Then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour it in. Here we go. And then we just mix it. And make a mess, because it looks like you did something. So make a mess. It's good. Add some of the you'll fling out. Now, this is your basic recipe for brownies. Now you could do anything you want with it. You could add, like I'm going to add pecans. You can add chocolate chips. I had put the brownie mix in the pan and then drizzled some caramel. You could do that. Or macadamia nuts, whatever your little heart contents. Put sprinkles on top, but I'm using, this is about a 1/2 cup of pecans that I had that I need to use up. You don't have to, but I'm just adding it in. And like I said, I found this on Facebook. I don't know who originally posted it, but I'm giving them credit. They didn't add the pecans. That is my twist on it, because like with any recipe, you could just add your twist on it. So now I have I don't know the measurements to this pan. It's, I think, about 5 by 11, 8 by 11, I think. I know if you do a 13 by 9 pan, then you need to double your recipe, or else it's going to be very thin brownies. But this is the next smallest one, and I'm sorry guys, I don't know the pan size. Blonde moment right now. But anyways, but I sprayed the bottom and I put wax paper in, because this is a little trick. Once you put the dough, your batter in here, and then you put it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or till your toothpick or your cake stick comes clean out, then once it's cooled down, just lift it up and then you put it to the side and then you start cutting. And it's so easy. So I'm gonna pour it in here. My neighbor's been, she saw me do a video, so she's like, ooh, make me some. She's like, girl, I got you. And then we kind of spread the batter. But yeah, you can throw some nuts on top. I mean, it's sprinkles, whatever your little heart desires. Sometimes I do this, kind of move it back and forth. Okay, so this is going to go in the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350. Forgot to tell y'all that, but preheat your oven to 350, and this is going to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. So luckily for you, I got one out of the oven. And then watch this. We just lift and place it down, or if you got a cooling rack, and look, easy cutting. Voila. So let's try this bad boy. So I'm going to kind of eyeball it half. Then I'm going to cut it in 6 and make 3 cuts. And you could clean your knife as you go, so that way you don't get it. And then I'm going to do half, and then split that in half again, and then that in half again. And these are still hot, so, but look at that. Your chewy, gooey brownies. Hope y'all enjoy. And remember guys, if you like the video, hit like and then subscribe so you can get your weekly videos and stuff. So I'm going to finish cutting up this, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.